Hey crafters! My name is Saida and welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Now, let's get into it. Today, we're making the square base. So first, we're just going to take this flap and close it like a book. And do the same thing in the other direction. Take this one and fold it up like we're closing a book. So we have this and this. So now the thing we want to do is we'll turn the paper over and we're going to turn it to a square. So make sure you had it as a diamond shape, because now we're going to turn it to a square. Next, we're going to fold this in half. Also like we're closing a book. Fold that. And then do the same thing in the other direction. Now we'll unfold. So now, those diagonal folds that we made, we're going to push them in, kind of like that. And we're going to take one side and then take the other side, and we're gonna like join them together. We're gonna join them together like that, and then push these flaps up to make a square base. Bye!